Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Ford Montaner or Mercury Montaner, and our problem in this car is that the power window is not working. This is the car, as you see here, and the power window on this car doesn't go up and down. If you notice here, you see this ignition have to be on. I'm gonna turn the key on, and if I try to push this, you see here nothing is working. What you need to do first is to get your wiring diagram. Wiring diagram is very, very important, and on the wiring diagram we need to know how this piece working. You know, you're gonna take it from here, but you need to know how this computer or how this piece here is working. Actually, it's getting power and ground from the fuse or from the relay. The relay is energized by the cluster. That means sometimes if the security get locked, it may not work. The wires coming through the panel there, and they come all the way here. So the first thing we need to do, hold this for me please. You video me, you can just get it from here. You don't need to video that one. Here is enough, mine is okay. You're not gonna hold. You're gonna leave that one completely,
yes,
and you watch this one, because this is the way. This is the one that, because if you try to hold it here, you're gonna mess it up. So
I just want to show my
no, you're gonna subscribe on my YouTube and you see it there. I will upload it. Hold it here. Don't push those buttons and hold it good. So now here, ignition is on. I start the car, and I have to look for two things. The first thing I'm gonna look is for the power. You see here, in this place, I need to get power. Maybe one of those wires, if you are not sure, based on the wiring diagram. So I'm gonna get my computer here, and I will go inside the wiring diagram and get the wire for that car. So the first thing I need to do is to check the power. And the power is coming from here. Light blue, you see light blue and black. This one is my power. If I don't have no power in this light blue and black, you see here, you see it deep, you see the color, you see the, come near, somebody want to see the power. You see here, I have power, 14 volt. The same thing, we need ground too. You see this one, the black wire here, the colored black wire here, I'm supposed to have 0 voltage. You see, go near to the screen. 0 voltage, but I'm getting how much here? I'm getting 9 volt. 12 volt, that's wrong. I shouldn't get 12 volt here. That means the power from here, it go and come out, but we have too much resistance here, or too much resistance here, or nothing. We don't have nothing. No power coming all the way from here, and looking for the ground, we don't have no ground. That means this wire here, it's supposed to have ground. The ground coming from the back, if you look at the wiring diagram, from the back of the trunk, the ground of this coming all the way there, pass through here and come. For example, and those are the command, electrical command for the power windows. You know, like left side, front, back, they have, this is a switch, this is a mechanical switch. So now, I know for sure that now we have power here, but we have power here. Here is supposed to give ground. The beauty about this tester light is I'm gonna give ground here. I give ground myself. I give ground with my hand. Now with the ground there, I will try to push the first switch to put the window down. Go back a little bit to see if the window gonna go down or not. I'm gonna push it. You see the window go down. By the ground I gave. If I remove my hand, I don't give no ground. You know, still there is nothing. When I push, I get the power coming, but there is no response. So now if I want to put ground back, I'm gonna push this one and go up with it, and it will work. That means this wire here, we have a problem with it. It doesn't bring what we need. Power is good, but the ground is missing. And this job, we cannot do it without wiring diagram and a manual that show you how does it work. First, you have to understand how this thing works. This one here is door lock and unlock. Also, if you notice, the customer put, or someone put a screwdriver here, maybe to stop this one, but this is not the right way. If anything happened to touch here or hit there, it can create some problem. Right now, this one where it sit, I don't know why they put it in, but it is not, maybe to stop this one not to jump, because I see a glue here, but it's not advised to do that. Okay, they may even change this one with a new one, but it still will not work, because I see the sign like this piece is new. The next thing we need to know is what is the possibility on this car? What can make this wire broke? In the car, impossible. Corrosion, okay. The first thing we have to go to follow, maybe here, the window regulator go down and up and we cut a wire. Or on this area here, you see in this area here, we have to come and look for this place, because here is the hinge where the door close and open, close and open. This car is 2004. We talk about another 2 years, it's going to be 20 years. So if this door has been open since 18 years, probably those wire, like just you have this wire and you keep doing it this and this, and you keep doing it like this, bending and open, it may break. So what we need to do to make a quick visual inspection, I'm going to take one of my tools here. I'm going to open this and I will come here, come by me. And I will come here, I will put this one out and I will cut this plastic, because I'm not going to be able to open anything. And I will push this piece back. And if you notice here, or take this one out here, whatever is easy for you. I'm only doing diagnosis here, and you're going to send back to Mr. Raul, the friend that is my friend there, or your technician, to complete the job. If you notice here, I already see something, that some wire, I have 2 wire broke here, you see? I don't know if this is for door lock, unlock, 2 wire broke. We're gonna go more deeper, and we see here, I'm gonna look for my black wire to see if anything happened to it. If I have 2 wire broke, that means could be, this wire also could be broke. Let me cut this one. Still I have some plastic hanging here. Okay, now I have a way of pushing this a little bit back. See here? Okay. Now I'm gonna look for that wire. If it's broken, it's a black wire. You see, this is my wire, right? This is a wire. You see here? You see this wire? What happened to it?
It's broken.
Yeah. So this is, you have 3 wire broken. So what they need to do is they're gonna move this. Your technician is gonna move this wire, this place here, and this place here, and pull this wire from there. Put another wire, connect it, and there's 3 wire connecting them, solder it, and this one gonna work perfect. Why? I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna give ground here. You see here? They give me 12 volt, right? I gotta give ground here, and look here now. You see? My window is working, right?
Yes.
So you know what's the problem in this car here? You have no windows. All the windows are up now. Not only windows, maybe your door lock, unlock, or maybe something else also is missing, because you see here you have 3 wires. Another wire broke. I'm not gonna do anything on this. I don't have even, but at least I show you what is wrong in your car. You don't need to do anything here. But tell Raul, my friend, to go in and do it the right way. You need to open this place here, separate it, and then join wire and look for all other wire that they need to be fixed, solder them correctly, tape it, and the problem is finished. Always use the scanners, tools, wiring diagrams, fix the car the right way, and you will be okay. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video.
You know I do video editing.
Say it again. All my video, I will send it just like this. And this is gonna work for Ford Explorer and Mercury, Mercury, and all Ford. Maybe this switch, it is for maybe 10, 20 different models. They all the same theory. And the repair also same theory. Please subscribe, share, and like.